In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to contact NETSPEND customer service number. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Type in NETSPEND customer service and search for it. Then navigate to this website, contact us. The main way to contact NETSPEND support is by calling their customer service number. So here you're gonna find this number. This is the official toll-free number for general support. However, it's important to know that live customer service is not fully 24/7. They are typically available Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. and Saturday to Sunday from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Besides calling, you can also contact NETSPEND through email by logging into your online account center using the secure inbox or by sending a message to their support email. Here you're gonna find their email addresses. You can see that. You can use this and contact them. So that's it. This way you can easily contact NETSPEND customer service. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.